Buenos dias mga kasangkayan, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, mag-maintenance tayo ng MRI equipment piping line. Ito ay isang common lang sa pag-maintain, lalo na sa chilled water system. Dilinisin lang natin yung strainer, malalaman natin kung nag-i-increase yung pressure. Dito kasi sa strainer, dito nagmumula yung bara. Dito naiipon yung mga solid particle na dumadaloy habang nagsisirculate yung ating system.
Valve close, no? Valve close?
Dalawang strainer lang naman yung ating bubuksan at lilinisin. Yung sa pipeline at sa MRI machine connection. Strainer close. I-reinstall na natin ang mga strainer para ma-determine natin kung nag-increase ang pressure. Before kasi nag-remove tayo ng strainer, below 70 ang LPM pressure. By the way mga kasangkayan, LPM stands for liters per minute. At ang MRI stands for magnetic resonance imaging. Ang medical equipment na to is medical imaging test, kung saan dito ini-scan ang every internal structures in human bodies.
Same line, no?
Same line.
That side little more dirty. This is not that much.
You cannot check that one because now we are going commissioning. Strainer close, eh? Na-sealed na natin lahat ng strainer, so bubuksan muna natin ng supply line. And then pagkatapos niyan, ang return line ang ating bubuksan. Titingnan natin kung mag-i-increase yung pressure.
You can achieve.
Okay, the same other side. 80.
100. More. That's it, I don't know. No problem.
Pressure.
This is the maximum.
Maximum.
This is close to the bypass.
Yes. I will check. I will increase more speed.
Switch on.
How can one switch on?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Let's fix this this side also. Buhay nyo mga kasangkayan, hanggang dito na lang. Pero kung interesado ka sa mga ganitong content, please consider to subscribe my YouTube channel. Sa muli, maraming salamat sa nakaabot sa dulo ng aking video. Gracias. Adios.